What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my BOXYCHARM unboxing video. I almost said uncharming video because, you know, BOXYCHARM, uncharming, I don't know. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I like to take the products that I receive in my box and I like to show you guys a makeup tutorial using the products. So I'm really excited. I actually haven't done a BOXYCHARM video in a couple months, so I'm excited to kind of bring these videos back for you guys because I know that you guys really like them, and I just said you guys a bunch of times. So I am going to really quickly first run through the products that are in the box, tell you guys the prices, and then we're gonna put everything to the test. The theme of this month's box is called BOXYCHARM Getaway. So cute. They always have the cutest themes, which when you turn it around, you kind of have the prices of everything with like a little description of what you can find in your box. If you have no idea what BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription box. You pay $21 and you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. It's a great way for you to kind of discover new brands and try different things, and the products are full size, which that is freaking amazing. First thing that I see in my box, it is the TARTEIST Pro Glow Cheek Palette in volume 3. This retails for $45. You only pay $21 for the box. So this is what the palette looks like. And once you open it, ooh, this is beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. So you have 2 blushes, 2 highlight powders, and then 2 bronzer contour shades. So that is stunning. So we are definitely going to use this later on in the video. Next, we have the Touch in Soul No POREBLEM Prime Essence. This is a face primer. This retails for $23. The packaging of this is so cute. It's like so girly. It's super cute. It's like that really pretty millennial pink shade. I love millennial pink. Everything about my life right now is millennial pink. If you follow my vlog channel, you can notice that everything is millennial pink. And this retails for $23 if I did not mention that already. They misspelled her name in the unit carton, which is now making me say it weird, but it is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I have been dying to try her lip glosses, but my Ulta is always sold out. And this retails for $17. And look how pretty that shade is. It's like the prettiest peachy pink. So putting that to the test as well. Okay, next we have the Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This retails for $25, and I believe this is like a makeup remover. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it in today's video because I don't have any makeup on at the moment, but what I'm gonna do is I'll use it tonight, and I'll leave a little note in the description letting you guys know if it worked for me and if I liked it. But I'm excited to try it, and this shirt is making me itchy. And then the last thing that is in my box is the HARU. It's the HARU. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, I apologize. This is the Wonder Maki Berry Antioxidant Mask, and we get 3 of them, and this retails for $9. So that was everything that was in my box. I'm going to put the box to the side, and we are going to go ahead and get started. So since we did receive a face mask, I'm going to start with the face mask first, and then I'll come back and we'll do the makeup together. Okay, so I am putting the mask on. It smells so good. Okay, so I am going to set my timer for 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. This feels so good on the skin. Okay, so my alarm just went off. Let's take this off. And it says to rub the remaining serum into the skin. So let's do that. So I'm going to really quickly do my brows off camera. I do have an eyebrow tutorial that I will have linked down below in the description because my brows take me forever to do. So I'm going to quickly do that, and then I will be right back to continue on with the makeup tutorial. So now that the brows are done, I am going in with a concealer, and I am just going to carve out the brows. My brows are looking very hairy. I actually have a brow appointment coming up. So we're going to ignore the brows. And once you carve them, I am going to just work that concealer down on the lid. And this is going to be our eyeshadow primer. I'm taking a brush that has some extra powder left over, and I'm just going to kind of run that through the eyelid, and this is just going to kind of set that concealer into place, but it's not going to completely lock it down. For eyeshadow today, I'm going in with the Lime Crime Venus palette. I'm gonna take the shade Creation, this one right over here, and I am going to put that on the crease of the eye. So I am just going to kind of tilt my head back a little bit. And it's okay, I'm going to be a little sloppy because we're gonna go ahead and blend it out later. So I am just working this in the crease. I'm going into the shade Divine, and I'm taking a Sigma E45, and I am going to apply this up here in the crease just to soften up that harsh line from the previous shade. I'm going to take the JH34 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Rebirth, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the crease just to give the look a little bit of like a pinky peachy twist so that it can match with our lip gloss later on. So I am just going to kind of run this in the crease. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Shell and Aura, these two shades right here. I'm going to mix the two together, and I'm just going to kind of press that into the entire eyelid. I'm going to take the shade Icon, which is the dark brown from the palette, and I am just going to kind of work this right here in the outer corner of the eye. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of Aura, which is the vanilla shade, and I'm going to place that in the brow bone and bring it down a little bit. Alrighty, so now I am taking a black eyeliner. This one is from Pixie. It's called Tight Line Black. And I am just going to apply this to my top lash line, and I'm gonna go from really thin to a little bit more thicker in the outer corner. So I like to just kind of tug a little bit and draw. And I'm extending it out like that just a little bit. Boom, so easy. I'm taking just an angled brush like this, and I am just going to begin to kind of smudge out that liner and extending it out. It's okay if you get messy because we're gonna go in with the wipe and clean it out. I am just kind of smudging that like that. So it's like a nice, easy, sultry eye. So now I'm going to go in with a makeup wipe, and I am just going to wipe off all of this fallout. And we're going to clean up this liner. So you see, it just cleaned that right up. See how this one, I took it like all the way out. It's okay because you can go in with your makeup wipe and just boop, wipe it right out. I'm going to go ahead and let the eyes kind of settle in for a little bit while I work on the skin. I'm going in with the primer that came in this month's box. The consistency of this primer is like anything I have ever tried. It's kind of liquidy. See, like it's a very liquidy primer. So this shall be interesting. So I am just going to work this all over the skin. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my foundation, concealer, and powder off camera, and then we're going to continue. Since the box didn't include any of those items, I went ahead and I decided to go ahead and skip it. So we are going to jump right into the Tarte palette that did come in our box. I'm going to start with the bronzer shade. I'm going to go into the shade Autograph, which is this one right over here, and I'm using the Shine to Be Miami blush brush, but I really like this brush to bronze up the skin. And I am just going to lightly just kind of tap this bronzer into our cheeks. Such a pretty color. I haven't been this tan in a really long time, and I am loving my tan. I've been going out on the boat a lot more often these past couple weekends, and I'm loving this tan that I have. I am so excited. It's been years that I don't look this tan, and I love it. I'm taking a smaller brush with that same bronzer shade, and I am going to contour the nose just a little bit. We want to make the nose look nice and small. And don't forget, I like to put a little bit on the tip and do kind of like a little ball. So I take my brush and I just kind of go like this, like I go around to create kind of like boop, a little ball. See what I did there? So I take it and I just kind of go around the nose. I'm taking the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush, and I'm just going to wipe off the powder that we have under our eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna take the two blush shades that are in the palette. So I'm going to just mix the two together, and I'm going to apply that to the apple of the cheek. So I'm going to smile and apply. Soften everything up. I'm gonna go in with a big brush, and I'm gonna take this bake that I have up here, and I'm going to run it up and into that blush in circular motions, and boom. See? It softens everything. Like, look at this side compared to this side. This side is a lot more flawless, it's a lot more smooth. So I always do that step. Boom. I'm going to really quickly do the bottom of my eyes, pop on some lashes, and then I'll be back to finish off with highlight and lips. We're almost done. Okay, so I am back. I went ahead and I popped on some lashes. I am using the Dame Boss lashes in the style Blessed. I don't know what I did with my little box, but it is in the style Blessed. I'll have them linked down below. For the lips, I do have MAC Strip Down Lip Liner mixed in with a little bit of the KKW No. 2 lip liner. And in the center of the lips, I have a super old school MAC lipstick. I think it's called Angel. I don't remember. But yeah, so let's go ahead and finish off the face. I am going to start off by highlighting. I am going to take a mixture. I'm going to take this shade right over here, and I'm going to take a little bit of this one, and I'm going to smile and just kind of apply it like right. Oh, there's a bug. There's a bug. There's a bug. There's a bug. I am just going to apply it like back here, just a little bit, and apply it to the tip of the nose and down the bridge of the nose, and then I like to go in with the brush and smooth it over. So the last thing that we have to do is the lip gloss. This is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in Pink Lemon, in Peach Tia. So I am just going to apply this lip gloss all over the lips. Ah, so pretty. Oh, it smells so good. This pinky color just like completely tied in the whole look with the eyes. Like, it was perfect. Okay, so the only thing that I have left to do is apply some more setting spray. I feel like doing something to my hair, something different to my hair, but you know what? It's just gonna stay in this sleek bun situation that I have going on. But yeah, this is it. This is everything using my this month's BOXYCHARM. Definitely my standout product was the face palette and the lip gloss. I really like the face palette and the lip gloss. It just looks really beautiful and it just smells delicious. I don't think I have a least favorite. I think this box overall was pretty freaking amazing and I really liked it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this really quick and easy eye and just whole overall look. It was a lot of fun to do and create for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my vlog channel as well. Link is in the description. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.